All right, boys, we're going fishing. My nephew's going fishing with me. He got a new fresh hat. He's looking pimpin'. Now we're going fishing. We're going to Still Lake. Let's see if we catch any trout. Maybe some crappie or bass, but mostly
This is where you did the ball.
we're hitting the trout. My nephew came down from Yakima, 2 hours away, and he's like, I want to stay a night and go fishing with you. So let's go fishing. See you out there, people. All right, we got here little cowboy. He already threw his line out there with a little bobber, a big ass bobber with the crappie jig. What, is it your first time fishing? No, he fishes over there. But we got here, let's see if we catch any fish. I got the other GoPro with the tripod ready for some action. We've been here for like an hour and a half. Didn't catch nothing. My nephew's over there fishing. Had to give him my my reel, because I don't know what's going on with this one. This one, it keeps stopping, and I already found out why. It's this right here. When you push the button, it grinds right there on the side. It stops it, so I need to get a sandpaper and grind it right here and smooth. Right here, it stops it. I know you push the button right here, it stops it because it has this, but there's like a little, this thing right here grinds it. See right here, boom, right there. But I'm gonna fix it with the sandpaper. But my nephew's out there fishing. We didn't catch nothing. People are catching trouts, but I don't know. This is his first time like fishing with me, and he wanted to stay at night and fish. So I took him out fishing. And then next week, my other nephew comes because he wants to stay at night. So we're gonna go fishing. We've been trying it for bass, trout, crappie, nothing. Let's see what's next. Fish on!
Come on!
All right, we got one. We got one. See? I told you, Gio, this is our spot. We got one. Fill up the bucket with water. Oh, we got one. My nephew's first time fishing with me. There we go. Nice one. A nice one. He said it's a beauty. Alright, we're gonna keep them. Another one. We got another one, boys.
Why are you getting another one?
I don't know. Alright, we got another one. My nephew is getting mad because he can't get one, but I'm gonna help him get one. Check it out, Gio. Alright, another one. He slapped you?
Yeah.
Whoa, these are nice. These are more shiny.
Oh, his face is not in the water.
I know, but I have to take out I gotta take out the hook.
He's smacking him. He's smacking his friend.
This time I am taking them home. We're gonna eat them. Got blood. Alright.
What did you just use?
Jill, take out yours. I'm gonna throw yours that way. My nephew's gonna throw his that way so he can catch one.
Wait.
I'll get back at you. What? My nephew knows how to throw a bait caster? A bait caster? This fool already knows how to throw it. It's the first time using it. And he knows how to use it. A bait caster. I don't even know how to teach him. Look at that. He knows how to use a bite caster without getting that bird nest. Watch. Look at that. knows how to do it. Bye, K-Oster. That's windy as heck. Bonnie caught 2 fishes, 2 trouts. We're gonna take them home and cook them. And nothing else biting. There's nothing else biting, so we're just gonna go home. Thanks for watching. Keep on fishing, never stop. Be safe out there when you're fishing. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be fishing somewhere else. I think we're gonna fish at 5 Mile Lake. Try that place out. Because right here it's already going slow. We're catching them, but we couldn't catch them. But okay, so 5 Mile Lake is tomorrow, and right in the morning. And thanks for watching. Peace. Yo boy, Fishing with Gilbert 509.